Good morning, all of you. Now, today the topic is variance and standard deviation. In previous lecture, we studied about variance and standard deviation also, and some questions are done in previous class. In continuation, we also done in a new question. क्वेश्चन है जैसा कि पहले हमने ग्रुप डाटा का भी किया था, आज नया क्वेश्चन है find the mean and variance standard deviation for the data and this is xi fi डाटा है। तो सबसे पहले हमने xi लिख लिया और इसको लिख रहे हैं 6 10 14 and this is 18 24 28 and this is 30 and their respective frequencies are that is 2 4 7 12 8 4 and this is 3 and first of all we calculate the mean of this data। सबसे पहले हम मीन निकालें और मीन निकालने के लिए अगला कॉलम बनाते हैं fi इंटू xi। इसका fi और xi दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन यहाँ पर लिखते हैं। तो सबसे पहले 6 इंटू 2 दैट इज 12, 10 इंटू 4 दैट इज 14 and 14 into 7 that is 98 and 18 into 12 इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करिए तो यह जाएगा 216 and 24 into 8 that is 192 and 28 into 4 that is 112 and 30 into 3 that is 90। समेशन fi into xi ये सारे कैलकुलेट हो गए। समेशन fi इसको ऐड करना है, इन सारे एंट्रीज को ऐड करना है। 8 और 2 10 हो गया और 10 20 हो गया, 30 हो गया and this is 40 sum that is 40। summation fi into xi into summation fi into xi और ये 12 प्लस 40 प्लस 98 प्लस 216 प्लस 192 प्लस 112 प्लस 90। इन सारे डाटा का सम आपको कैलकुलेट करना है and this is equal to 760 mean of the data। नेक्स्ट है mean, फार्मूला ऑफ द मीन समेशन fi into xi upon summation fi and summation fi into xi that is 760। this is given 760 and summation that is 40 and divided by this and this is your x, that is 9. नेक्स्ट कॉलम जो आपका बनेगा वो है xi माइनस मीन, ये कॉलम। तो सबसे पहले तो मीन आपने निकाल ही लिया है, इसको रफ करते हैं और यहाँ लिख दे रहे हैं समेशन fi 760 और x बार दैट इज 90। जरा डिफरेंस करते हैं, देखते हैं क्या आएगा। 6 minus 90 and difference is minus 30 and that is 10 minus 90 and their difference is minus 9 and 14 minus 90 and their difference is minus 5 and next is 18 minus 90 difference is minus 1 and that is 24 minus 90 and their difference is 5 and 28 minus 90 and difference is 9 and next is 30 minus 90 and difference is 11. These are the difference. Next column is xi minus mean का square, then minus 13 का square and this is minus 9 का square, this is minus 5 का square, minus 1 square, 5 square, 9 square and 11 square. All their entries are given and the square of this is 169 and this is 81 and this is 25 and this one is 1 and this is 25 and this is 81 and that is 121 e square. Okay, now the next column is frequency into summation xi minus mean का whole square, fi xi minus mean का whole square और fi है 2 into 169 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 338 आएगा, 338 and 4 into 41 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 324 आ जाएगा, 324 and 7 into 25 दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 175 and this is 12 into 1 that is 12, 8 into 5 that is 200 and 81 into 4 that is 324 and 3 into 20 121 that is 363 and sum of all entries that is summation fi xi minus mean का whole square is equal to, इन सारे एंट्रीज का सम आएगा 176। नाउ मीन कैलकुलेटेड है, वेरिएंस निकालना है तो वेरिएंस जानते हो फार्मूला, वेरिएंस इज इक्वल टू समेशन fi xi minus mean का होल स्क्वायर अपॉन समेशन fi. Okay, and this is 1736 upon total frequency is 40 summation f. डिवाइड कर दीजिए, और डिवाइड करने के बाद जो आ रहा है वही आपका वेरिएंस हो जाएगा, एंड दैट इज 43.4, दैट इज 43.4 वेरिएंस is equal to 3.4. Now standard deviation, standard deviation is equal to under root variance, and this is short form of standard deviation is known as SB, and this is under root 43.4. This is your standard deviation. Okay, now the answer is this for standard deviation and variance. This is this. Okay, note down all of you. And now the second question is, find the mean and variance and standard deviation of the data, and data are given, that is Fi and Xi are given. Now the data is Xi, and that is 92, 93, 97, 98, 102, 104, 109, and their respective frequencies are Fi, and that is 3, 2, 3, 2, 6, 3, 3, 6, 3, 3. Now again, first of all calculate the mean of this data. Okay, सबसे पहले मीन निकालेंगे, तो समेशन Fi इन सभी को ऐड कर देंगे, दिस इज 22. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट कॉलम होता है Xi into Fi, Fi into Xi, and 92 into 3, that is 276. मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं 93 into 2, and this is 6, 186. Okay, and this is 97 into 3, 3 7 21, and this is 290. 98 into 2, 98 into 2, and this is 196. Okay, and this is 102 into 6, that is 6 2 12, 612, and 104 into 3, that is 312, and 109 into 3, that is 327. These are respective Fi into X. Now again calculate summation Fi into X. इन सारे एंट्रीज को ऐड करिए, and this will becomes 2200, and mean is equal to summation Fi Xi upon summation Fi, and therefore 2200 upon 22, that is 100. Mean of this data, that is 100. Okay, now is 92 minus 100, and that is minus 8. 93 minus 100, and that is minus 7. 97 minus 100, that is minus 3. 92 98 minus 100, that is minus 2. And 102 minus 100, that is 2. 104 minus 100, that is 4. And 109 minus 100, and this is 9. Now the next column is xi minus mean square, and this is minus 8 square, minus 7 square, minus 3 square, minus 2 square, 2 square, 4 square, and 9 square. And minus 8 square is 64, 49, and this is 9, and this one is 4, this is 4, this is 16, and this is 81. Okay, now the next column is fi xi minus mean the whole square, and their respective frequencies are this, and multiplied by xi minus mean the whole square. fi से इसमें मल्टीप्लाई करना, तो इनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं, देखते हैं क्या आता है. And therefore 64 into 3, 64 into 3, that is 192. 192, and 2 into 49, that is 98, and 3 into 9, that is 27. 2 into 4, that is 8, and 6 into 4, 24. 3 into 16, 48, and 3 into 81, that is 2, 4, 3. Next, summation fi xi minus mean का whole square is equal to all the entries का sum निकालते हैं. This is 640. Now variance is equal to summation fi xi minus mean का whole square upon summation fi, and this is 640 upon summation fi है, that is 22. and variance कैलकुलेट करेंगे जब, तो इसको डिवाइड करेंगे, and the answer is 29.09. This is your variance, and this is your answer. Okay, now standard deviation. Standard deviation, that is under root variance, and this is SP is equal to under root 29.09, and this is your answer for standard deviation, and this is your variance. Okay, no doubt. Class, now the next question.